आँखाले त देखेँ अब फेरि यो देख्दैन क्या आँखाले त देख्न काम गर्नु
After an action-packed day, we have almost come towards the last leg program of the day, to the most awaited event, that is the prize distribution. Gold, silver and bronze medals aren't made of gold, silver and bronze. They are made of sweat, determination, sacrifice and a hard-to-find alloy called guts. To honor the winners in the previously held events, may I request Sister Vinita CJ, the Regional Superior, to hand over the medals to the winners that I am going to announce now. We start off with the prizes for the high jump in Division A for the previously held events. The first position goes to Mabira Pradhan of Blue House, the second position to Ribista Acharya, and the third position to Simrita Khatiwar of Red House. Similarly, the results of the high jump Division B is as follows. The gold medal goes to Nirvi Thapa of Green House. The silver to Manasi Gungana of Red House and bronze to Dhrirata Pokhral of Blue House. The results of the high jump in Division C is as follows. The first position goes to Suniti Karki of Blue House. The second position to Suruchi Mokhtan of Yellow House. And the third position to Samriti Chaudhary of Blue House. The winners of the high jump in Division D are as follows. The first position goes to Subhani Bhurtel of Blue House. The second position to Jasmine Chaudhary, also of Blue House. And third position, Vidyansha Bhatto, also of Blue House. Congratulations. I now announce the results of the Division E in high jump. And the winners are, first position, Sahasi Mokhtan of Blue House. Second position goes to Ritika Bashal of Yellow House. And the third position to Adhya Bashu of Yellow House again. Congratulations. May I now invite our Reverend Principal, Sister Deepa CJ, to honor the winners of the long jump. The results of the long jump Division A are as follows. First position goes to Prasamsha Oli of Red House, the Gates captain. The second position goes to the head girl Agrima Tata of Green House. And the third position goes to Alasha Joshi of Yellow House. The results of the long jump in Division B are as follows. First position, Arya Pandey of Green House. Second position, Nirvi Thapa of Green House. And third position, Shreya Yadav of also of Green House. A clean sweep by the green house in Division B. The results of the Division C in long jump is as follows. First position, Suruchi Mokhtar of Yellow House. Second position, Samriti Chaudhary of Blue House. And third position, Francisca Rizal of Green House. The results of the Division D in long jump is as follows. First, Shubhani Bhurpel of Blue House. Second, Ayushi Gautam of Red House. And third, Vidyansha Bhatta of Blue House again. The results of the long jump in Division E is as follows. First, Sahachi Mokhtar of Blue House. Second, Sunidhi Kumari Shah, again of Blue House. And third, Arya Kushwa of Yellow House. Congratulations. To honor the winners of the triple jump, I would like to invite Sister Edna. Thank you, Sister Deepa. And I would like to invite Sister Edna to honor the winners of the triple jump Division B. The results are as follows. First position, Agrima Dhakal of Green House. Second position, Ashriya Devkota of Blue House. And third position, Muskan Adhikari of Red House. The results of the Division B in triple jump. First position, Arya Pandey of Green House. Second position, Manasi Dulana of Red House. And third, Athena Maske of Blue House again. Division C in triple jump, the results are first position, Suruchi Mokhtar of Yellow House. Second position, Asta Chalani of Blue House. And third position, Aditi Bajgar, again of Blue House. The results of the triple jump in Division D is as follows. First position, Vidyansha Bhatta of Blue House. Second position, Pradiksha Yadav of Yellow House. And third, Anushriya Casey, also of Yellow House.